Hey everyone! So today I'm showing you how to delete your Gmail account on Android. This will permanently remove your Gmail, Google Drive, YouTube account, and all Google services, so make sure you really want to do this. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open any web browser on your Android phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser works. You can also do this in the Settings app. Now tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the browser. There you will see your Google account. Tap on it. If you have multiple Google accounts, tap Manage Accounts and switch to the account you want to delete. Okay, now scroll all the way down and tap on Manage Your Google Account to open your account settings. At the top, you'll see a search icon. Tap on it and type Delete. Here's the thing. You'll see two options: delete a Google service and delete your Google account. If you only want to delete Gmail but keep your Google account, tap Delete a Google service. But if you want to delete everything, Gmail, Drive, YouTube, Photos, all of it, tap Delete your Google account. Google will ask you to enter your password to confirm it's really you. Type in your password and move to the next step. Now Google will show you what you're about to delete. You can download your data first if you want to save anything. Just tap Download your data at the top. Scroll down and you'll see two checkboxes. Check both boxes to acknowledge that all your data and account will be permanently deleted. Then tap Delete Account at the bottom. And that's it. Your Gmail and Google account are now permanently deleted. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.